Have you ever felt a chill run down your spine for no apparent reason? Today, we're sharing haunting true stories from Reddit that will leave you questioning what's lurking in the shadows. Are you ready for a terrifying ride? Our first story comes from a Reddit user who encountered a mysterious figure in their home. Late one night, they spotted a shadowy figure in the corner of their room. What happened next will leave you breathless. The figure seemed to watch them, motionless. They sat frozen in fear, unable to comprehend the reality before them. When they finally mustered the courage to turn on the light, the figure had vanished. But this was only the beginning of their nightmare. Now, let's pause for a moment. Have you ever experienced something similar? A moment that seemed too scary to be true? Share your thoughts in the comments. We love reading your scary stories. In another chilling account, a person heard strange noises in their attic every night. The sounds were so unsettling that they couldn't sleep, but what they discovered next turned their fear into pure terror. One night, they decided to confront the source of the noise. As they climbed up the ladder, they were struck by an icy draft and a feeling of despair. Suddenly, the noises stopped, and a deep silence filled the space. What did they find when they finally reached the attic? You won't believe it. But first, if you're enjoying these stories, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that bell icon to stay updated on more spine-chilling tales like these. Back to our story. Upon entering the attic, they were met with an overwhelming smell of decay and an unsettling sight. A forgotten photo album lay open, showing images of previous inhabitants of the house. But they weren't alone in these photographs. A figure stood ominously in the background of every shot. This left the Reddit user questioning the history of their home and the true nature of the entity that had disturbed their peace. Were they being watched? And by whom? The eerie feeling lingered long after discovering the photos. Speaking of strange visitors, one more story will chill you to the bone. A Redditor recalled a time when they were visited by an unexpected guest in the form of a figure lurking in their doorway late one night. In a moment of sheer panic, they dashed to their parents' room, and when they returned, there was nothing there. But the unsettling feeling of being watched remained long into the night. The experiences are as real as they are terrifying. Could they have been a figment of their imagination? To wrap things up, we shared some hair-raising encounters that remind us that sometimes, truth is stranger than fiction. What will we uncover in our next video? Stay tuned for more spine-tingling stories, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more terrifying content.